In today's video, I'll be breaking down this Ghanaian praise bass line for you. So if you're interested, kindly watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any part of what I'm about to teach you. If you're also new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also click the subscribe button so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lesson if you're interested. You'll see this link that will pop up over here, or you see the link in the description or in the comment section below. Just click on them. It will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Then we can start doing some tutorials, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay guys, at the start of this video, I'll be playing the song cover before I start the lesson. So in case the song didn't start, maybe the song has a copyright, so I'll have to delete it, okay? So you can click on this link even in case the song didn't start. That is the cover of what I'm about to teach you, okay? Okay guys, first of all, the song was played on key A, your A major, okay? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So I'll try and sing along and try and break down the bass line for you guys, okay? So as you all know, I'm not good with the key, but I'll try and make you understand. So, well, yes, okay, the progression on that part goes like this. Da, do, do, so, do. Okay, on the do progression, that is the first do. Da, da. Okay, I did something like this. Da, da. Okay, I was just playing. Okay, so da, da, ya, da. That is on the so. Da, da. Okay, so this is what I played in the do and so progression. I applied a ghost note, okay? So da, 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 da. Okay, so on your fourth string, so you plug the ghost note like 3 times. Then you plug on your re, so. Okay, so the same ghost note on your second string, re, so. Okay, so da, da. Okay, so do. Okay, so the next progression goes like do, fa, mi, la. Okay, nya, ti, fu. Okay, I guess that is it. Da, 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 da. Okay, so do, fa, mi, la, re, so, do. Okay, so on my do, fa, I played do. Okay, so do, mi. Then you play your so, fi, fa. Okay, so now I'm going to the la. So now from my fa, mi, and to my la. Okay, so do, mi, so, fi, fa, fa, do, mi. Now to my la. Okay, do, ti, la. The passing note which I once did a lesson to. Okay, la. Then the normal way you can end the praise song. Re, mi, fa, la, so, do. Okay, so it's very simple. You need to take this out from this lesson, especially with this groove. Then you can apply it to any song out there. Okay, then your re, so, do. Okay, and the second one in the praise song, I did it this way. Okay. So, yes. Okay, so you slide. Okay, this is a new bass line I would love to teach you guys. Okay, it's very simple. That is on your do. it's on your do progression. Okay, so don't be confused when you're using it. So mi re mi do. Then you come to your so re mi re. It's the same. Okay, so don't get confused when you're using this. Know that it's on your do progression. It's the so progression. Okay, so now let's go to da da da. Okay, so it's a very simple working bass I applied here. So it's very simple. So do mi re fa mi. Okay, so you can learn this too. So you see that when I'm playing my so, I just don't play it. I slide mi to my so, then I play the do, then I play the la. Okay, so okay, so you can vibrate over here, then there you go. Okay, dun, 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 dun. So in that part, I took it to the high tone over here, and remember that you're playing on this A, so you need to look for your A key over here. You see these two dots here? 1, 2 is your A, okay? So so I did a very cool slide groove over here. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so you just need to understand the progression, then you can apply this cool thing in the groove. You can even apply it. I bet you can do this in any song out there that you see that the progression is familiar with this. Okay, so dun, dun. Okay, so let me teach you the technique. So do, then you slide to your do here. Okay, do, 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 do. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. Sudo. So this sudo comes in a very silent way. If you listen to the video, you understand it. Okay. Now to your to. Okay, so do 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 ti la so do do to 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 do to 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 la so mi fa 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 mi re so. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so understand on how to use even this bass line in that song. You see that you master it. When you master the praise, or when you master the bass line, you can now apply it out there. Okay, so okay, I personally created this bass line so that you can have fun when you're grooving with stuff like this. Okay, so the second, say we breathe, dun, dun, dun. So I play something like this, dun, 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 dun. Okay, so that is do, so, do, la, and do, mi, fa, so, do, la, ti, re, la. Okay. Okay, so now let's look at moon bra beshe. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay. Okay, so it's the same like the way you're singing with the song. So do ti la 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 ti do ti la so fa. Okay, so you slide to your do, so do fa re mo mi, so la, the normal ending, do re mi fa la so do. Da, da. Okay, so do 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 so la so do 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 so la so re mi do re so do 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 so la so. Then you continue do ti la ti do ti la so fa. Then you continue mi la re mi fa la so do. Okay, so guys, I think this is it for now, and I'll be trying and bringing you guys more groove, sweet bass line for your praise and for your worship. It's been a long time I did a worship song tutorial. Okay, so try and understand it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.